My name is Keren Carmel. I'm a loan officer with East Coast Mortgage Lenders up in Palm City, Florida.
Okay.
And I'm standing here with my dear friend Mike Pearson. Go FAMP.
That's right, that's right. So we talked a lot about AI in the breakout today.
Yes, that was
So
awesome.
have you looked for ways to institute artificial intelligence into your business?
Oh yeah, actually I have been.
Okay.
I use AI, but I did learn some really good things, even though I already use AI. I use ChatGPT mostly.
Right.
But
Okay.
I learned some interesting things like don't copy and paste the exact words
Yes,
that
it's a
you
big
get
no-no.
as a result and put it right in there. You got to alter it a little bit.
Absolutely.
So that was awesome.
So, speaking of
awesome.
artificial intelligence, have you worked with AIM, our new broker portal, our enhanced broker portal with A&D Mortgage?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's great.
Okay, and what's the experience so far?
Oh, awesome. Awesome portal. A&D is the best. I would
Very
absolutely
nice.
highly recommend. Awesome AEs, awesome marketing vice presidents, really good people.